Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike and welcome back to the Calm Society channel. Today, we're diving into one powerful ingredient: ginger. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and for good reason. It's packed with beneficial compounds that can seriously upgrade your wellness routine. We're talking about everything from soothing an upset stomach to potentially even helping with chronic inflammation. So if you're curious about how this little root can make a big impact on your health, stick around. We're breaking down the science behind its benefits, plus I'm sharing some easy ways you can incorporate it into your daily life. Let's get started. Alright, let's get into what makes ginger such a nutritional powerhouse. When you look at its nutritional profile, it's actually pretty impressive for a humble root. Per 100 grams of fresh ginger, you're getting about 80 calories, which isn't bad considering all the nutrients it packs. You're also getting a good dose of carbohydrates for energy, around 18 grams, and a little bit of fiber to keep things moving smoothly in your gut, about 2 grams worth. Now, ginger isn't your go-to for protein, but it does contain a small amount, around 1.8 grams. And as for fat, it's very low in fat, clocking in at just 0.8 grams. But here's where things get really interesting. Ginger is a good source of key vitamins and minerals. We're talking vitamin C for immune support, vitamin B6 for energy metabolism, and minerals like potassium for healthy blood pressure, magnesium for muscle function, and even manganese, which plays a role in bone health. But the real magic of ginger lies in its bioactive compounds. These are naturally occurring plant compounds that have powerful effects on our bodies. Ginger is particularly rich in compounds called gingerols, shogals, and zingerone. These compounds are responsible for ginger's distinct flavor and aroma, but they also give it some pretty amazing medicinal properties. Now, let's dive into the good stuff. How can ginger actually improve your health? One of the most well-known benefits of ginger is its ability to aid digestion. It's been used for centuries to relieve nausea, vomiting, and motion sickness. It does this by helping to speed up the rate at which food moves through your stomach, preventing that uncomfortable feeling of fullness or bloating. And speaking of digestion, ginger can also help reduce gas and bloating. It does this by relaxing the muscles in your digestive tract, preventing gas from getting trapped and causing discomfort. But ginger's benefits go way beyond your gut. It can actually do wonders for your skin too. Ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. It can also help fight acne by killing the bacteria that contribute to breakouts. And if that wasn't enough, ginger's antioxidant properties can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. And ladies and gentlemen, don't think I've forgotten about hair health. Ginger can actually work wonders for your hair too. It can help promote hair growth by stimulating blood flow to the scalp, and it can also help prevent dandruff by keeping your scalp healthy and balanced. But wait, there's more. Ginger can also help ease muscle and joint pain. This is especially beneficial for people who suffer from osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis. And if you're looking to boost your immune system, ginger can help with that too. It contains compounds that can help strengthen your immune cells and fight off infections. So as you can see, the health benefits of ginger are incredibly diverse and far-reaching. Okay, now that you know all about the amazing benefits of ginger, let's talk about how to easily incorporate it into your daily routine. The good news is, it's incredibly versatile. One of the easiest and most popular ways to enjoy ginger is by making ginger tea. Simply simmer a few slices of fresh ginger in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, strain it, and enjoy. You can add a squeeze of lemon for extra flavor and a boost of vitamin C. Ginger tea is not only delicious but also great for soothing digestion, boosting immunity, and warming you up on a cold day. And if you're feeling a little under the weather, a warm cup of ginger tea can work wonders to ease those cold and flu symptoms. Another refreshing option is ginger and lemon water. Simply add a few slices of ginger and a squeeze of lemon to your water bottle and sip on it throughout the day. This is a great way to stay hydrated, detoxify your body, and enjoy the subtle flavor and health benefits of ginger. For those of you looking to enhance your hair health, try a ginger hair mask. You can grate some fresh ginger and mix it with a carrier oil like coconut oil or olive oil. Apply this mixture to your scalp and hair, leave it on for 30 minutes, then shampoo and condition as usual. This can help stimulate hair growth, prevent dandruff, and leave your hair feeling soft and shiny. And if you're dealing with an itchy or flaky scalp, the anti-inflammatory properties of ginger can be really soothing. And for a glowing complexion, a ginger face mask can work wonders. You can mix grated ginger with honey or yogurt to create a paste. Apply this to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Ginger can help reduce inflammation, fight acne, and even out skin tone, leaving you with a healthy and radiant glow. Plus, it's a natural and affordable alternative to harsh, chemical-laden skincare products. Of course, let's not forget about using ginger in cooking. Ginger adds a delicious, warming flavor to stir-fries, soups, curries, and even desserts. Adding ginger to your meals can aid digestion, reduce inflammation, and even add a little pep to your step. So there you have it, folks. Ginger truly is a wonder root with a wide array of health benefits. From soothing your stomach to boosting your immunity and even giving you glowing skin and hair, this versatile ingredient deserves a place in everyone's wellness routine. Remember, incorporating ginger into your life doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you prefer a warm cup of ginger tea, a refreshing ginger and lemon water, or simply adding some fresh ginger to your favorite recipes, there are plenty of easy and delicious ways to enjoy its benefits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And be sure to subscribe to the Calm Society channel for more natural health tips and tricks.